cryptocurrencies remain at the forefront of investment news as people search for the next big opportunity. Meme coins such as Pepe Coin and Shiba Inu are in the spotlight, with high expectations for 2025. Meanwhile, the emergence of innovative altcoins like Yetio is capturing attention. High price targets such as 1 cent for Pepe Coin, $1 for Shiba Inu, and the promising play-to-earn (P2E) ecosystem of Yetio are generating buzz in the crypto space, particularly among whales. Shiba Inu, still the king of meme coins? Shiba Inu is one of the most popular meme coins, often referred to as the Dogecoin killer. Through developments like the Shibarium blockchain, Shiba Inu is steadily transitioning from being a meme coin. The ambitious target of reaching $1 is supported by increasing utility and integrations within decentralized finance (DeFi). However, challenges persist as Shiba Inu's large token supply limits its upward price movement, even with the recent token burns. Despite this, its loyal community and continuous development efforts keep it competitive for long-term potential. Investors hold SHIB for steady gains while exploring newer tokens for higher returns. Pepe Coin, can it break through to 1 cent? Pepe Coin has risen to prominence among meme coin projects. Inspired by the iconic Pepe the Frog meme, this token has gained traction among retail traders and crypto whales alike. Its strong branding and active community have driven its popularity, but can Pepe Coin realistically reach 1 cent by 2025? Experts argue that while Pepe Coin has a unique appeal, it must address its current lack of utility to sustain long-term growth. Without added functionality, it risks falling behind tokens like Yetio, which combines the meme coin culture with utility. Nevertheless, Pepe Coin's low price and high volatility make it attractive for short-term investors. Yetio races ahead in crypto market. As Shiba Inu and Pepe Coin cement their positions in the crypto market, Yetio is emerging as a standout among new tokens. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, Yetio integrates gaming and decentralized finance through its upcoming play-to-earn (P2E) game, Yetigo. This Unreal Engine-powered racing game offers thrilling gameplay, allowing players to earn rewards, collect in-game items, and stake tokens for added benefits. The team recently shared a behind-the-scenes video showing the development of the game, which promises an exhilarating experience for players. Yetio stands out with its capped supply of 1 billion tokens, a deflationary token burn mechanism, and planned CEX listings following its pre-sale. These factors create a scarcity that is expected to drive demand. As whales invest heavily in Yetio, the crypto community is optimistic that it could outperform established tokens like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin.